What's good, YouTube? J-Man here, bringing y'all another video. It's gonna be an updated video to the one that I made previously, the ChatGPT video, but this one is gonna be with Claude AI. I'm about to show y'all how much better Claude AI is with coding, like FiveM scripts and stuff like that. So we're gonna take the same prompt that ChatGPT gave us in the first video. If y'all haven't seen that one, go watch that video. But yeah, I copied it, so we're gonna paste that prompt in, which is all of this right here from the first video it gave me. And yeah, we're just gonna press enter, and then I'm gonna show y'all how much better Claude AI is with like coding and stuff like that compared to ChatGPT with FiveM. So we pasted that prompt in that it gave us. So now it's trying to gather everything and stuff like that. So once this is done, I'm gonna cut back to this so y'all can see what it did. All right. All right, y'all, we back. So this is what it came up with. It took a long time for it to get finished. I don't know if it's gonna show how long it took, but it took a while. So this is the folder structure. So obviously we're gonna go with the same name we went with last time. Control C. Oh, let me remove this out of my resources. Give me money. We're gonna remove it. That was the old one that was acting stupid. So this is the folder structure name. In resources, I already removed it out of here. So we're gonna do file, new folder, control V, and that's the name. Give me money. That's gonna be the name of the command too, I think. So all right. So first we're gonna make a fx manifest.lua. Come back, new, file, highlight all, control V, enter. That's that. Now we're gonna make a config.lua. Highlight it and copy it. We're gonna do the new text document, control V, config.lua. Now we're gonna make a client folder, new folder, client. Open that thing on up. We gotta make a main.lua file now. All right, new text document, highlight it all, control V, main.lua, go back, server folder now, new folder, server, close that back up. Inside of server is another main.lua. We already got it copied. New text document, control V, main.lua, go back. All right, we're gonna make a web folder in 3 files. So we're gonna highlight the first one. Make a web folder, new folder, web. Go inside of it, new text document, highlight it all, control V. This, do not double click to open it because it's gonna open it in your browser. I'm gonna show you how to open this file up so you can put the code in. Style.css. Let's see, go back inside the web folder again. I don't know why I came out. Right click, text document, highlight it all, control V. And then the last one is app.json. This, go back, right click, new text document, highlight it all. Whoop, highlight it all, control V. Now, that's all you need to make. So this is self audit stuff that passed. All of it passed. It double checked it. It gave me these files instead, which I needed to give me. I need all of the coding for each file instead of the download. So, all right. So this the FX manifest Lua code. So that's done. So we're gonna go back, go to FX manifest, open it up. It may open it up in Notepad if you don't have Visual Studio Code. I recommend Visual Studio Code. Paste that in there. Control S for file and save, and close that out. Next in line is config.lua. That's all the config.lua code. Open up config.lua. Control V, Control S to paste it, and then Control S to save it. Or you can hit file and save. Close that out. That's that. Now next is inside of the client folder. Open up client, main.lua, Control V to paste it, Control S to save it, or you could press file, save, close it. And that's it for client. Next we have it's a long main.lua code. Now we go into the server folder. Open up server, main.lua, same thing, Control V, Control S to save it, or you can hit file, save, close it. Go back. Next at the main.lua for server, you got, actually that wasn't finished giving me the code. It wasn't finished with the server main. So okay, now it's done. That wasn't the full code, so now it's done. Make sure you get the full code because I did that while it was still going. So we're gonna go back in there, Control A to select it all, Control V to paste over it, then Control S to save it, or you can hit file, save, click the X, close it, go back. Now this is for the web HTML. Okay, that's done. So we're gonna click copy on that. Go back, go inside web folder. Click this one time. Don't double click it. Then right click it and hit where's open with, and do Visual Studio Code, or you can open it with edit in Notepad or Notepad plus plus if you got that. But I'm gonna open it with Visual Studio Code so it don't take me into a browser. Control V, Control S to save it, or file, save, close that. Now you're done with the index HTML. Now web, inside the same web folder, you got the .css. Is it done with the CSS? Yes, it is. Copy it again just to make sure. Now style CSS. Open it, same thing. Control V, Control S, or you can hit file and then save. Close that out. Next is the JSON. You copy this because I think this is done, giving the code for this. Yep, that's every file. Okay. Now the app JSON, you open that up. Control V to paste it. Control S to save it, or you can hit file, save. Close that out. Close that out. Go back. All of it done. Go back again. This is the folder you need. So now all you do is go inside of here, wherever your resource folder is, however you get to it. I'm using Rocket Node, so this is how I do mine. You click files if you're using Rocket Node, resources, and this is your resource folder. This is where you're going to drag your script or menu you just made. You put it in here. See, it transferred all the files. Now it's uploading. Now, the name of mine was jman_give_me_money, right? So rename, Control A to highlight it, Control C to copy it, because this is what you need to put in your server CFG. So find your server.cfg, go in here, and wherever you're gonna put it at the bottom, you put you type ensure in lowercase space, and then whatever you name that folder, which mine was jman_give_me_money. So Control S to save it. That's all done now. Literally all you do now is restart your server. So we're about to see how much better that Claude AI is than ChatGPT when it comes to creating scripts for your FiveM server. You could still use ChatGPT, it's just a little bit more tedious and stuff like that. ChatGPT works for me sometimes, and then Claude AI works for me better. Also, you could use Claude AI to to fix your scripts if they're broken and stuff like that as well. But yeah, so I'm showing y'all all of this. It's restarting my server. It's already restarted, but I'm finna just check to make sure there ain't no error with this script before we start it up and stuff, y'all. All right, so we're down here at the bottom now. All right, let's see. Did we get an error? Give me money. Started. Yep, restarted. It started. Okay, it was creating it and then it started it, so we're good. Now I'm gonna open up FiveM, and then once FiveM opens up, I will um I will switch to FiveM for y'all. Okay, we got FiveM running now, guys. So we're gonna close this out. And now we over here at FiveM. I gotta mute the song that's playing on my server though, so I don't get copyrighted. But it's loading now. And let me check back on this because it should be give me money up. I had to get the command code, which is slash give me money for the menu that I just had it make for me. So I'm just letting this load, finish loading. It's at 59%. And it's taking a little minute because we just created a new script or whatever. So it's loading in everything you need for it and updating. So you can have some crazy stuff, like some crazy scripts created in your FiveM server with AI and stuff like that if y'all don't know how to code and stuff like that. So I'm just showing y'all this. I'm still new to coding myself, trying to understand it. So if there's anybody out there in the FiveM community that could point me in the right direction, that could help me with stuff, let me know. I know how to make chains and stuff like that as well. So I just need some help. Y'all comment down below if y'all got some help, whatever. All right, so we're here in my server. Click play. All right. So we're gonna press T and then Control V because I copied the command code and press enter. And it said invalid. So T slash okay. That command didn't work. So let me go back to Claude. Okay. And type slash give me money in game to open the menu. And that's what I did. Okay. Slash give me money. But that didn't work. All right, let's give me money. Uh, Let me see. I'm checking in my resources. Underscore give me money. Okay, that's correct. Let's go to service CFG and give me money. That's right. Um, the command valid and nothing opened. All right, let me close out of FiveM so I can show y'all what I just did. Back right here. All right. So I just said the command was invalid and nothing opened. So I'm gonna get back to y'all once this load up. See, y'all can see it's trying to figure out what happened. I don't even know what happened, but I'll be back with y'all in a second. All right, chat, we back. So now After saying the command was invalid and nothing open, it did a diagnosis and stuff, and that's what it's telling me change. Here's a fully rewritten, hardened version of every file. So we're gonna copy the fx manifest.lua, go back here, fx manifest.lua, open it, press Control A, Control V, and then Control S to save it, or file save X and X. Then next we got remove the MySQL line. Oh well, so this is the new one. It just updated it again. So we got to go back into FX, Control A, Control V, Control S to save it. With the X. Next, the config.lua. Here, open up config.lua. Control A, Control V, Control S to save it, or file save, close. Next, inside the client folder, you copy that code. On client, main.lua, Control A, Control V, Control S to save it, or file save X. Go back one. Now client main.lua. Oh, I just did that one. I think I just did that one, yeah. Didn't I? Yep, I just did that. All right. Next, we're going inside the server folder. So we copied that server main.lua. Control A to select it all. Control V to paste over it. Control S to save it, or file and save. Click the S, X, and X. Go back one, the server. Now the web folder and then index. So go inside a web and then index, click it once. Right click, open with Visual Studio Code, or edit in Notepad or Notepad++. I'm doing Visual Studio Code. Control A, Control V, Control S to save it, or file and save. Click the X and click the X. Next, style.css open. Open this up, double click it, Control A, Control V, Control S, save it, file, save, just to make sure. X and X. Now, last one. In the web folder, app.json file. Make sure you copy it. Go back, double click it, Control A, press Control V to paste over it, press Control S to save it, or you can hit File, Save, hit the X, and hit the X. And once again, we're done. So we can stay inside this part of the folder, and it's telling you what all changed and stuff like that. So, okay. It say the files you pasted, the server never responded, and the menu silently never opened. All names are now short, consistent, and out of date. Get player, player list, give self. I wonder if it gave it a menu or not. To verify it is loading after you restart, open the F8 console and in game and look for J-Man give me money. Okay, all right. So what we're gonna do now is go back, files, go back to your resources, resource folder, open up whatever script you made. Mine was give me money. I'm gonna click right here to delete all of those files that I previously uploaded. See, were recycled. Go back here, highlight all of these, and drag them inside of that folder. All of them there. You don't need to reinsure because it's still insured. You just restart your server afterwards. And I'm gonna click on console so you can see it restarting here and stuff. All right, chat. So as you can see, it's a give money resource is started, created and started, and all of this is restarted. So now we're gonna start FiveM back up. Start FiveM back up. Back on FiveM. Connect. I don't want to be copyrighted, so I had this song muted right now. All right, yeah. So let's see if it worked now. So we're in T slash give. There you go. Give me money. Now it's working. Enter, and there we go. Give to self, cash, or bank. We're gonna do bank, and we're gonna do 10K. Let's see. Confirm. C10 added to your bank, and look, new notification 10,000 added to the bank. You see at the top right, it updated it into my bank. 26,000 right now. So just in case if y'all think it don't work, we do T, press up on the arrow key and press enter. We can do bank again. Bank. We're gonna do 20K this time and press confirm. 20K added to your bank. And now we got 20K added to the bank. Still didn't update it right there at the bank thing, so we're just gonna press F1. This is the phone that I made. Hit bank, and see you got 56,000 in bank. So it actually updated it to my bank, and I got a transfer thing script or whatever that I could do right here. So instead of having that money menu, which that money menu that I made is not going to stay in my server because that's open for everybody, but this was just testing purposes. So you see it say 56,000 in my bank. Watch this. Press T, press up on the arrow key, press enter, and then go down to bank again. We're going to say 20,000 again. Confirm, press escape to close it. Open up my phone, press bank, and now it's 76,000 instead of 56,000. So if y'all enjoyed this video on how to use AI or Claude AI to create simple, easy FiveM scripts, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe, follow whatever platform you're on. Comment down below if y'all can help me make better scripts or anything like that, or if y'all got tips. This been your boy J-Man, and I'm out. Peace.